everyone, welcome to today's video. So it's another video on the Shadow here, as you can see. A few new bits for it. It's got a new headlight, new grips here, and obviously a new throttle. As you can see, the tank's back off it. I've had an idea of it, which I'm going to try out in this video. So it's just another general kind of upgrades and maintenance video. So, I don't even think the video got it. I went to go and patch in a little bit, picked up the wrong cam, so now it looks like the duck is shooting blood, which is not quite what I was going for. I think the best option is to wait for it to dry and just paint over it. Not ideal, not quite what I was going for. Now we're on to getting the headlight installed. I'm going to need to get a custom bracket, because the bracket that comes on the Shadows are notoriously horrible for supporting anything aftermarket, so I'll have to make something from scratch. I didn't record it because I thought most people could probably install a clutch lever, but it did arrive. Got the cable into and everything. It's quite stiff, so I'm going to lubricate the cable a bit, but it's all working and good to go. So I just want to thank everyone that's tuned in for this video and for the last few. The sport's started to get quite mental, so I do appreciate all the help, whether it's liking or subscribing or even just watching. As I said earlier, let me know in the comments what you think of this kind of video style. I'll see you all in the next one.